Noise pollution is an invisible danger. It cannot be seen, but it is presented both on land and under the sea. Noise pollution is considered to be any unwanted or disturbing sound that affects the health and well-being of humans and other organisms. Some examples of noise pollution include air traffic noise. For example, living near an airport and the airplane is constantly taking off. Another example includes traffic noise. For example, a steep incline along a roadway will cause heavy laboring of motor vehicles. A last example includes construction sites. For example, loud construction vehicles such as bulldozers and more. Building houses and demolishing them created tons of unnecessary noises. Solutions to noise pollution include being on a bicycle or an electrical vehicle to avoid the noise. Doing this releases no air pollution and makes little to no sound. Electrical vehicles like Teslas, they make no noise. This would be an ideal solution for noise pollution. Another example includes creating pedestrian areas where traffic is only allowed to enter to offload goods at certain times. This will help reduce the amount of honking, speeding, and slamming on our brakes. If there is a certain area where traffic can go at different times, it would be another idea. Last example includes insulating homes with noise-absorbing materials. This helps us by limiting the transmission of sound from one area to another by requiring a material that encloses the source of the noise and forms a barrier that absorbs vibrations between the source and the adjacent areas. The main causes of noises in Palm Beach County are noise pollution. It affects us all whether we are aware of it or wish to acknowledge it. Airplane traffic, construction, and local ground traffic all contribute to the frustration and anger experienced by residents. Sounds emanating from cranes, cement mixers, welding, hammering, and other work processes are the most frequent construction offenders. Construction equipment is often poorly silenced and maintained, and building operations are sometimes carried out without considering the environmental noise consequence. To reduce noise pollution in Palm Beach County, rules were set such as no person shall operate or cause to be operated any source of sound from any location in such a manner as to create a sound level which exceeds. If these rules weren't set in place, people in Palm Beach County would experience constant noise, sounds coming from cranes, cars, airplanes, and more.